Welcome students. Now today we are going to see third chapter of Applied Science Chemistry. Name of chapter is Fuel and Combustion. Course code is 22202. A fuel, it is the substance which on combustion produce large amount of heat. Example of fuel are wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petrol, kerosene, diesel, alcohol, LPG, then oil gas, producer gas, coal gas, etc. These are the commonly used fuels. And in these fuels, carbon, it is the main burning constituent. Fuel, when burned in presence of oxygen, then on combustion it produces large amount of heat. Then carbon in which is present in fuel, it is oxidized into carbon dioxide, while hydrogen present, it is oxidized into water vapors. Then fuels are classified in two ways. First is depending upon their occurrence, that means where they occur, whether naturally or artificially. And second is depending upon their physical state, that means whether they are solid, liquid or gaseous. Depending upon this two different types of classification is there. First classification is natural or primary fuel, which are found naturally. For example, wood, coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the naturally occurring fuels, while artificial fuels are coke, charcoal, diesel, then LPG, producer gas. These are the example of artificial fuel. Many times this MCQ is asked, which are the example of natural and artificial fuel. Then second type of classification is on the basis of physical state, that means whether the fuel is solid, liquid or gaseous. On this state, this classification is done. It is classified as primary or natural fuel. Then second class is artificial or secondary fuel. Example of primary fuel: solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid, wood, coal, then liquid, crude oil, and for gases it is natural gas. For secondary type of fuel or artificial fuel, solid is coke or charcoal, then liquid example is petrol or kerosene, and for gaseous fuel example is LPG gas, then water gas, producer gas, coal gas. These are the example of secondary or artificial fuel. Then what are the essential properties of fuel? Ignition temperature. First, it is the most important property of fuel. It is also known as ignition point. For example, in case of coke or charcoal, or liquid example is petrol, kerosene, diesel, diesel oil or lubricating oil. It is the minimum temperature at which fuel of combustion takes place. It is known as ignition temperature. Then when firing is once started, it is known as ignition temperature. जेव्हा आग सुरू होते एखाद्या फ्युएलमध्ये, तर ते जे टेम्परेचर असतं तर त्याला इग्निशन टेम्परेचर म्हणतात. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज calorific value. Calorific value, that means the total amount of heat produced by complete combustion of unit weight or unit volume of fuel. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल 1 किलो जर तुम्ही एखादा फ्युएल घेतलेलं असेल, सपोज वूड घेतलं असेल, चारकोल घेतलं असेल, तर ते किती हीट प्रोड्यूस करतं त्याला त्याची कॅलोरिफिक व्हॅल्यू म्हणतात. 1 kg सपोज LPG असेल किंवा 1 लिटर केरोसिन असेल, 1 लिटर पेट्रोल असेल, ते किती हीट प्रोड्यूस करतं त्याला त्याची कॅलोरिफिक व्हॅल्यू म्हणतात. इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ फ्युएल विच डिसाइड्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ फ्युएल. हायर इज द अमाउंट ऑफ heat produced, better is the quality of fuel. Unit of calorific value is kilocalorie per kg in case of solid and liquid, and for gaseous fuel it is kilocalorie per meter cube. Then a unit of calorific value in various systems are different systems are given: CGS, MKS, then SI. These are the three different systems. Then unit of calorific value for solid and liquid fuel, unit is same, while for gaseous fuel unit is different. CGS unit for solid and liquid fuel is calorie per gram, while MKS unit, it is normally used, MKS unit kilocalorie per kg, while SI unit is joules per kg. For gaseous fuel, CGS unit is calorie per liter, for MKS it is kilocalorie per meter, and for SI it is joules per meter. This is the unit of calorific value for different types of fuel. In next lecture, we will see solid fuels like coal. Then what are the different types of coal, how qualification take place, we will see in next lecture.